So when you think of Egypt, what's the first thing that pops into your head? Golden sands, right? Ancient pyramids, and the vast arid desert. But what if I told you there's a whole other side to this landscape, a hidden world, an emerald icon, tucked away completely out of sight? Okay, let's get into it.
I mean, it sounds like a paradox, doesn't it? A green paradise flourishing in one of the driest regions on the entire planet. It sounds impossible, but no, this is not a mirage. It's a real place, a vast expanse of life that just completely defies all expectations.
And we're not talking about some tiny little patch of green either. We're talking about a staggering 35,600 square kilometers. To give you some perspective, that's an area larger than the entire country of Belgium. This makes it the single largest protected area in all of Egypt.
So what is this mysterious place? It's time for the big reveal. We're talking about the Jebel Elba Reserve, a true land of contrasts where the impossible pretty much becomes reality. So let's get our bearings and see exactly where this natural wonder is.
We're heading way out to the far southeast of the country, into the Halab and Washlatין region, which is south of the Red Sea Governorate. It's a pretty remote corner of Egypt, and its location is absolutely key to its unique character.
And this is the core of Jebel Elba's magic. On one hand, you have that classic, arid desert landscape we all know, but inside of it, you find this shocking, beautiful contrast, mountains and valleys that just explode with lush green life. So, the crucial question is, how does this explosion of life even happen?
Well, the answer lies in its incredible biodiversity. This isn't just a green area. It's a living treasure chest, a sanctuary for species you can't find anywhere else in the country. Let's take a closer look at what makes this place such a treasure of biodiversity.
Now, when we say biodiversity, it's really just a way of talking about the sheer variety of life. And in Jebel Elba, that variety is completely off the charts. It's an ecosystem so rich and so unique that it's become a major hotspot for researchers and conservationists. And this transformation isn't even permanent, which honestly makes it even more magical. It's a seasonal miracle. When the winter rains finally come, the entire landscape just wakes up, almost overnight, turning into a vibrant green paradise. It's a breathtaking annual event. So what makes it an icon of biodiversity? Well, we're talking about a huge range of rare plants and animals you won't find anywhere else in Egypt, like the elusive Barbary sheep, which finds refuge in its rocky highlands. It's a unique ecosystem that thrives in that perfect balance between mountain and valley. It really is a self-contained world of life. But this story isn't just about plants and animals. Jebel Elba has a deep human connection. It's a landscape that has been home to people for generations, people who are as much a part of the ecosystem as the wildlife.
You see, Bedouin communities live right within the reserve's green valleys. They aren't just visitors. They are an integral part of the fabric of this place. Their lives and their culture are woven directly into the land itself. So how do they live in harmony with this environment? It's a symbiotic relationship. They inhabit the fertile valleys, and their traditional grazing practices actually prevent overgrowth and encourage new plant life. They cultivate the earth, passing down invaluable knowledge of medicinal plants. You see, their survival is directly tied to the health of the reserve. Because of this incredible mix of nature and culture, Jebel Elba has become a sanctuary for the future, a protected space that serves as a vital destination for discovery. So, who is making the journey to this remote paradise today? You have researchers, of course, who are eager to study this one-of-a-kind ecosystem. You have nature lovers, people searching for truly untouched wilderness. And increasingly, you have eco-tourists who want to experience this natural wonder in a sustainable way. And thankfully, this treasure is not being ignored. It is officially managed and protected by Egypt's Nature Reserves Administration. This ensures that its delicate balance is preserved for generations to come.
So, to really put its importance into perspective, this isn't just a local secret. It is officially recognized as one of the largest and most significant nature reserves in Egypt and the Middle East. This isn't just about Egypt. Its value is recognized on a vast regional scale.
So, this brings us to a final, thought-provoking question. The existence of Jebel Elba proves that our planet still holds these breathtaking secrets. It makes you wonder, if a paradise this vast can remain hidden in plain sight, what other incredible natural wonders are still out there, just waiting for us to discover, appreciate, and protect?